When writing in the first person point of view, is it effective to use descriptions of people, places, and things as a way of sharing information about the protagonist rather than describing things? I think it's an interesting and complex question, and my answer is going to apply to third person as well. I do think that showing people interacting with people, places, and things is an effective way to share information about them. The question becomes, how do you do it? What is it in particular you're doing? Well, I do think you want to integrate a little bit of internal reflection in the process. Let us say, for example, that my protagonist is approaching a garden with a nice pergola and wisteria hanging down, and it's beautiful. It's May, and it's warm, and it's just the promise of new growth and the scent from the wisteria. It's gorgeous. Lilac trees all around. That's the scent. Beautiful. I just described it to you. But I could also have my protagonist walk up and touch the blossoms of the wisteria and say something like, as an internal reflection, no matter how hard Mom tried, she couldn't kill the wisteria. I don't know where that came from. Sorry, don't want Mom killing wisteria, do we? But I think you get my point, that I'd now just told you something important about my protagonist's backstory and her relationship with the wisteria. We don't know what it is, but we know it's something. I know you can do it. I look forward to hearing your experiences implementing this idea. And if this tip had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? It opens up features for us that allow us to make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.